Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix flash is disabled. iPhone needs to cool down before you can use the flash. If you are facing this problem, then after watching this video your problem will be solved. Solution 1. Click on Settings app. In setting page, scroll down, find battery and click on it. Turn off low power mode. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. In setting page, click on General. Click on Software Update. Make sure you have the latest version of iOS. If update available, then click on Download and Install. And update your iPhone or iPad. Solution 3. Click on Settings app. In setting page, click on General. Completely scroll down at bottom, click on Shutdown. Turn off your device. After 2 minutes, turn on. Solution 4. This error also occurred due to overheating of the iPhone. Remove iPhone cover. And your problem is fixed. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.